Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you can access both accounts because changing names requires login and often verification codes. Once logged into Facebook, go straight to your profile and click Edit Profile. Do the same on Instagram under Profile Edit Profile. Make sure you already chose the exact name you want, since platforms limit frequency. Also, check that the name follows each site's rules. Real name style on Facebook and allowable characters on Instagram, so you don't hit an error later. You now change your Facebook name by opening Settings and Privacy, then Settings and selecting Name. Enter your new first, middle, and last names exactly as you want them displayed, and pay attention to Facebook's name guidelines. This avoids rejection. Once you submit, you'll need to enter your password. Facebook may ask for ID or take a short review period. Make sure you haven't recently changed your name because Facebook limits frequency. If blocked, you'll see that timeline in the response. Once you're on Instagram, tap Edit Profile and update the name and username fields as needed. The name is freeform while username must be unique. If the username is taken, try small variations like a dot or underscore. Remember why this matters. Your username is how people find you. After saving, review both profiles for consistency. If you encounter an error, try clearing app cache or use the web version, and if denied for policy reasons, follow the appeal or verification prompts. Usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.